which is your Al2O3 here. Catalyst, not really. So what it does, it has two purposes. One is to reduce the melting point of your bauxite. Second is to improve the electrical conductivity. As a solvent, yes, it can be because it dissolves it, right? Yes, sexy. Stop, bruh, no. Okay, reduce aluminium.
But doesn't it reduce its melting point?
Reduce its melting point. But how does it reduce its melting point? Because it dissolves in it. When it dissolves, the melting point drop. Example, let's look at sodium chloride. Salt. You look at salt, NaCl. At first, right, let's say if you want to melt this salt, crazy, you try to melt the salt, you just get the table salt, try to melt it. It's so crazily high. But what happens if you throw it into water, it dissolves straight. Okay, so does it decrease the boiling point? Yes, it does. It does dissolve the melting point. Straight away, when you throw it to salt, when throw it to water, 25-degree room temperature already dissolved. So can conduct electricity already. So the same thing, yes. It is basically acting as a solvent. Sexy. By the way, who are you? I like your voice. Your voice kind of sexy.
Oh, thanks, man.
Yeah. Your name, please?
It's ugly,
Howard.
It's ugly.
Howard.
That's me.
Oh, okay. So his name is...
Hey, this one Erica boyfriend.
That's my sister's name, sorry.
This one
okay.
Erica boyfriend.
Oh, okay. No wonder suddenly you thought, okay. I get it. Okay, next. Which statement about the use of matter is correct? Okay, so matter, what happened is that iron is to use to make iron has low density. My dear, no, yeah. Iron has high density, yeah. And if you use iron to make aircraft, trust me, MH17 will happen. So every year you have MH17. Okay, so this is wrong, yeah. Okay, copper is used to make electrical cable because copper is a good conductor. Yes, copper is a very good conductor. Yes, you're right. Okay, aluminium is used to make brass. No. Okay, this brass is basically by copper, right? Okay, iron is mixed with additive to make alloy used in chemical plant. Yes, in fact, iron is to make stainless steel. Okay, 2-4. Okay, next. Which role describe the reaction between magnesium hydroxide and magnesium oxide? Okay, so effect on heat on magnesium hydroxide. So when you hit magnesium hydroxide, what will happen? So when you hit magnesium hydroxide, right, MgOH, if you heat it, right, it becomes magnesium oxide, right? At the same time, H2 is released, right? Okay, it forms magnesium oxide. Yes, correct. No reaction. Effect of heating oxide with carbon. As what I mentioned, magnesium is more reactive than carbon, so carbon can't displace it. There's no reaction yet.